We're here in the kitchen at Global Gardens with two students, Lillie and Jonèi, who are going to share with us some of the recipes that they have been making from their new cookbook. So Lillie and Jonèi, do you want to share a little bit about like what grade you're in and some of the things that you've been growing?
Yes. Yeah, sure. I've been growing sunflower radish, and my name is Lillie, and I'm in the 5th grade.
My name is Jonèi, and I've been growing okra and carrots and sunflowers, and I'm in the 5th grade as well.
So it sounds like you guys have been busy growing a lot of foods out in the garden. And that sounds fun. You don't just get to grow the food, but then you get to come in the kitchen and make and eat some of the foods that you've grown, right?
Yes.
So do you have favorites from your cookbook?
Yes.
What are some of your favorite foods?
Radish, red radish pancake.
The beet pancakes?
Yeah.
Yeah, those looked really good. I saw those in the cookbook.
Mine is radish salsa.
The radish salsa, I saw that one too, and that looked really good too. So what are you gonna be making for us today? Carrot top pesto?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that one looks really interesting. And what I loved about that recipe is so many people just throw away the tops of their carrots. They'll eat the carrots and then just get rid of the tops. But you all are gonna make a recipe where you can actually use those, right?
Yes.
So what do we need to do, or what do you need to do to cut them?
First, chop up the green first.
Okay. Are you going to use the stems and the leaves, or
Both.
both? Okay. We'll let you go ahead and get with your cutting. I see that you're going to cut the leaves or tear the leaves off of the kale.
Yes.
And then are you going to cut it after that?
Yeah. I'm going to take the stems off and just cut them.
And then just cut them? Okay. And then for the carrot tops, do you just, how are you cutting those? Just
Small.
small pieces? Okay, and now that you have the carrot tops and the kale cut up, then you need the basil. Mm-hmm. Okay. I'll go ahead and let you add that. Okay, now at the basil, you're just putting the leaves in there, right?
Yes.
Okay. And then you need the lemon.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
And I'm guessing you could probably just use lemon juice if you have that, if you don't have the lemon.
Yeah.
Okay, and now we want to go ahead and start putting some of our ingredients into the blender.
Yes.
Okay, so we've got the kale, the carrot tops, and then if you go ahead and put the basil in there. And then do you want to add the lemon juice?
Yes. Do you want to add it?
Okay, and then what do you want to add next? The Parmesan?
Yes.
And then it looks like you've got some salt and pepper. Okay, and garlic.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then you've got some walnuts. Okay, and then it looks like the other thing we've got to add is olive oil. So about how much olive oil are you adding? 1/4 cup?
Yeah.
Okay, and I think olive oil is one of those things that we can adjust, right? Once it's blended to see if we need to add more to it.
Yes.
Okay, so now that we've got all the ingredients added to it, then I guess we'll need to take that over and get it blended up.
Yep.
Now that the pesto is all blended up, now we can, if you guys want to start mixing in the butter.
Yeah.
And you're just going to kind of smash that butter up, and then you'll add the pesto to it. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. And while you all are getting your pesto on your bread, I'll share with the viewers that if any of you would like to know this recipe or any other Global Gardens recipes, you can find the Global Garden Cookbook on the Global Gardens website.
Cheers. Amazing.
Well, thank you, Lillie and Jonèi, for joining us today.
Anytime.
If you would like to get your own copy of the Global Gardens Cookbook, visit their website. We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.